this video, we will graph two different functions and their inverses. So in our first example, we're going to graph x squared. So we select our y equals button and enter in our function x squared, and we press graph. So here's the graph of our first function, y, or f of x is equal to x squared. Now, in order to graph the inverse, where we need to go is draw. And since draw is above the program button in blue, we first have to press the second button, then program, in order to access draw. Next, we scroll down until we see draw INV, that's draw inverse. Press enter. And now we want to tell it what to draw the inverse of. So we're going to go into vars, which is located directly beside the program button. We're going to go over to y vars, and we want the first option, function. So we entered x squared into y sub 1, so that's the function we want to enter. So we press enter, enter again. Here's the graph of our inverse. You know, with the inverse, they're always symmetric about the line y is equal to x. So that line cuts directly between the two. So for our second example, we now want to graph the square root of 2 plus 5x. So our square root sign is above the x squared button. And once again, anything in blue above our button, we need to press second, first. Then 2 plus 5x, close our parentheses, we press graph to see the original graph. Then to draw the inverse, we need to go to draw. So we press second and program. We scroll down until we see draw INV, draw inverse. We need to tell it what function, so we're going to go under vars. We want the y vars function, first one, press enter, and here is the graph of our inverse. When you go to the table, it's only going to show you the original graph. It's not going to show you the order pairs for the inverse, but you can always just exchange these x's and y's, and that's another way that you can obtain the graph of your inverse.